Welcome, today you've heard of me, ASUS Zenfone 9, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. First, let's open the Play Store application, and here in the search bar we should enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application. That's why just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, let's just tap here to open the app and click Enable in Settings. Now near green Apple keyboard, we should click once on the switcher, tap twice to OK. And then just go back. Then click here to the switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now the process is finished, and one will go, for example, here to the app search to see the new look of our device keyboard. And we can see here that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of these emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.